Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down the most important financial news and policies that impact you. Today we are diving into a big development coming from the Ministry of Finance, the One State One RRB policy. But what exactly is this policy and why is it important? Let's start by understanding the role and structure of regional rural banks or RRBs. The Union Ministry of Finance is planning a significant move to consolidate the regional rural banks under the new policy called One State One RRB. The policy aims to enhance the efficiency of these banks and minimize unnecessary competition among the sponsoring public sector banks. To fully grasp the importance of this policy, let's understand the structure of regional rural banks. Established in 1975, these banks were created to boost the rural economy of India. The inception of RRBs was a result of recommendation by Narasimha Working Group, with the primary objective of integrating rural areas, which is home to 70% of India's population, into the economic mainstream. 5 RRBs were set up on 2nd October 1975 after promulgation of an ordinance, which was later replaced by Regional Rural Bank Act 1976. Now let's know the ownership structure of regional rural banks. RRBs are jointly owned by 3 entities: the Government of India, a sponsoring bank, and the concerned state government. While the Government of India owns 50%, the sponsoring bank owns 35% and the concerned state government owns 15% of stake. They are regulated by Reserve Bank of India and supervised by the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development or NABARD. For example, in Gujarat, Baroda Gujarat Gramin Bank is sponsored by Bank of Baroda. Here, the Government of India owns 50%, Bank of Baroda owns 35%, and the Gujarat state government owns 15% of stake. Now let's know about the amalgamation of RRBs. RRBs have undergone several rounds of amalgamation to streamline their operations. In January 2013, 25 RRBs were merged into 10, reducing the total number to 67. As of 31st March 2023, India has 43 RRBs sponsored by 12 scheduled commercial banks, operating through 21,995 branches across 26 states and 3 union territories. Out of 28 states in India today, the RRBs are present in 26 states except in Goa and Sikkim. And notably, all public sector banks except Punjab and Sindh Bank have sponsored one or more RRBs, and Jammu and Kashmir Bank is the only private sector bank to sponsor an RRB. The State Bank of India has sponsored 14 number of RRBs, which is highest for any bank, which is followed by Punjab National Bank, which has sponsored 9 RRBs, and Canara Bank, which has sponsored 4 RRBs, and Bank of Baroda has sponsored 3 RRBs. If you see the performance of regional rural banks, you can see that as of 31st March 2023, almost 88.3% of the loans disbursed by RRBs were directed towards priority sectors like agriculture and MSME. And the banks reported the highest ever consolidated net profit of 7,571 crores for the financial year 2024. The gross non-performing asset ratio stood at 6.1%, which is the lowest in a decade. Now let's discuss about the One State One RRB policy. A senior government official revealed that One State One RRB policy is in the works. The goal is to reduce the number of RRBs from the current 43 to around 30. This consolidation will involve merging RRBs within a state under one sponsor bank based on their performance. The result will be a single sponsor bank in each state, which will absorb the assets of other RRBs in that state. The focus should be on quality and not quantity. There is a pressing need to enhance technology like expanding mobile banking services. The One State One RRB policy will help achieve this and reduce competition among RRBs. This move aims to create more streamlined, efficient and technologically advanced rural banking system across the country. ensuring better financial inclusion and support for rural development. So what do you think about this policy? Do you believe it will lead to better banking services in rural areas? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button with a bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video. Stay informed, stay empowered.